Mission Maitri, which is a very good initiative by India and a very successful initiative. Under Mission Maitri, India has exported vaccines to a lot of countries across the world. India has already exported vaccines to a lot of neighboring countries like Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives, Bangladesh, and a few more neighboring countries. And India has exported this totally free of cost for neighboring countries for a first few doses. And it is very good to see that India is giving priority to the neighboring countries even in the times of pandemic. And India has not just limited to the neighboring countries, India has also exported beyond our continent to Brazil, Morocco. And in the coming weeks and months, India is planning to export to a lot of countries under Mission Maitri. India, at the start of the pandemic, many countries, many international newspapers doubted India by quoting that India is staring at a humanitarian crisis, by saying that India is in denial of the crisis. But today, India is one of the few countries who have really controlled the pandemic efficiently. The effect of the pandemic is very limited in India. India has controlled this pandemic very efficiently as compared to other countries. For example, if you compare it with UK, even today UK has recorded more than 1500 deaths. And you compare it in contrast to India. India is recording roughly just 10,000 cases a day. And it is very less considering the size of our country, the huge population of our country. So India has been very successful in controlling this pandemic very effectively and efficiently. Now on 16 January, India began with its vaccination program. The most famous vaccine being the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, the Covishield, and India also approved the Covaxin. These two are extremely safe and effective vaccines. Now the other question arises is, why are Indian vaccines in such high demand across the world? The first reason is that Indian vaccines are very cost efficient, very cost effective. Because if you compare the cost of Indian vaccines as compared to other vaccines across the world, you will realize it. For example, the Moderna vaccine, the vaccine which is approved by the US. The cost of Moderna vaccine is approximately $30 per dose. And if you also compare it with other vaccine, for example, Russia's Sputnik 5. The cost of Russia's Sputnik 5 is approximately $10. Now if you compare it with the cost of India's Covishield, the cost of India's Covishield is $6. So cost effectiveness is one of the major reasons why Indian vaccines are popular across the world. And the other reason is Indian vaccines are very safe and efficient. Across the world, Indian vaccines are considered to be extremely safe for use. So this is an extremely successful initiative by India, the Vaccine Maitri, to ensure that vaccine reaches most number of countries across the world so that we see an end to this deadly pandemic.